Monticello, and Jordan Center.
By the state line, there's frontals firing.
Is there?
Yep.
That's not good.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Greene County in south central Wisconsin until 7:30 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from Monticello to 6 miles north of Monroe, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Broadhead, New Glarus, Monticello, Albany, and Attica. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for northwestern Greene County.
Look, there's tons of
At 7
prefrontals.
p.m.,
Ooh.
a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a
we're not out of
tornado
this.
was located near